And welcome back, everybody. Are you excited about creating your first application on Visual Basic 2013? So as already know, we will go to a new project and then we are going to choose the Windows Form application. But today we are going to rename the application and we are going to call it First Application. And then we are going to press OK. So now, as you can see here, we have the application called First Application, and we have our Form 1. So our form is we are going to change the name by pressing the right click on the mouse and then rename it. And we are going to call it Hello World. So now we have changed the name of the form, but now we have the form here still called Form 1. That's mean when you run the application, you are going to see Form 1, not Hello World. What we're going to do, a very easy step, we one click on the form, and then we have the properties here. All what you have to do is to go to text. So once you reach the text here, press on Form 1, and we are going to change it. We are going to call it Hello World. And press enter. So in this case, as you can see, already the application name has been changed to Hello World. That's mean when you press F5 to launch the application, you will see that your application now is called Hello World, is not called Form 1 anymore. So what we are going to do now is that we're going to create a small application. Says we are going to have one button here. Once we press on this button, and a small text over here will appear and says Hello World. So how can we do that? For this application, we need two things to use from our toolbox. The first one is a button, so I'm just going to add a button. And the second one called label. So I'm just going to also add a label. So now I'm going to create a very small application. So I'm going to resize my application here. And I'm going to put the button in the middle and also Hello World in the middle. So how do we change the text of label 1? Also, we have to do is click on label and then go to the text over here and change label 1. So label 1, we're gonna say Hello World. And as you can see now, the word already has been changed to Hello World. So, oops, I made a mistake here. Hello World.